All right, good morning, guys. Let's see what we have for today. All right, so let's zoom in a bit. All right, first of all, SPY is up just a little bit. Earlier in pre-market, it was above yesterday's high. Currently, it's slightly under it. QQQ, same thing. IWM though had a good day yesterday, very very good day. So this is a great example. Did it? No, it did not. But it's very close to making new all-time high. Very, very close. Currently, the all-time high is at 252.77, and then it went 11 cents lower yesterday. So it was very, very, very close. I don't know why my indicators don't pop in. Oh my god, what is it? What is it? I'll just reload this. All right, now it's better. Great. So NVA, which we entered yesterday, looks pretty good in pre-market. It dropped a bit from where it was. Currently, slightly under yesterday's high, which I mean, I'd say it's still pretty good. A very good close yesterday, close to all-time high. I mean, close to high of the day. KSS, this one is slightly pulling back right now. 10 SMA is actually reaching. It will raise even higher when the market will open. So this is actually even closer to its 10 SMA. It looks like it can totally bounce on it. Um, we'll kind of have to wait and see. We already took some trims here, around 30%. First trim was here, and then second trim was here. First, I think we did 20 and then 10% or whatever, totaling 30%. Risk free, the stop loss at break even. What I'm looking at today, we have Prax. It went up on, is it earnings? No, it's not even earnings. Oh, meeting with FDA for a drug trial approval or whatever it is. So very good news. It's gapping up around 30%, just under 30% on some good news. Good gap to the upside at a very good range. This is very, very good looking for me. If it confirms if the volume is good, I mean, volume would probably be good. I suppose just following such gaps kind of make me think about this day, except this. I mean, no, it wasn't even earnings. So yeah, kind of similar to this. Obviously, this one didn't have any continuation, but it was a much bigger gap. It was like 170% gap. Now it's 30%, which the potential for continuation is, I mean, is higher. Lemonade also looks good. Putting alert right here, 78.76 at yesterday's high. I did alert this when it tried to break out yesterday, but I skipped it just because the volume had very low volume, as you can see. If we zoom in a bit, volume was under average. If it breaks out today, confirms, might be worth a try. If not, just will end up skipping it. BBAI also very good looking. Above yesterday's high again. So 7.18, good alert here. And then Frog. This one I'm not so sure about. Kind of similar to, I guess, Lemonade in a certain way. It tried to break out, just, I guess, sold off. Bounce on its 10 SMA. Now it's slightly back above its previous range. If it goes above yesterday's high, might be worth it. By the way, it's 64 flat. So 64 flat for the alert. Yesterday's high. If it goes, great. FSLR kind of is building a range. I wouldn't say it's ready to go. I could be wrong though. Yeah, it's not perfect. Let's say. Still looks pretty good. Making good higher lows. I meant. Thing is, they don't perfectly align, but they still do align pretty well. For example, this could be pretty good. Kind of have to see. I doubt I'll see this confirming today. PL broke out yesterday. As I said, I skipped it because of the earnings are in 5 days, and I mean tomorrow, and then on Sunday as well. Market is closed, so it's basically 2 trading days before earnings. If I were to enter, I would have trimmed at the 50 SMA right here. I skipped it, but for those that enter, if you guys did not skip at trim at the 50 SMA, might be worth taking a trim there. GSAT, good continuation. TTI, same thing. ONDS, I guess, too. For the rest, there's not a lot that I'm really interested into. Maybe STX here. I guess this could be something. This could be pretty good. Or if you really want to, I mean, this. Yeah, wouldn't be so bad. So we'll keep an eye on it just in case it wants to go. Light, I would have really liked seeing a longer consolidation right here, but it looks like it tried to go yesterday, so I skipped it because of the low volume and very short period of consolidation. Very, very, very strong stock, one of the strongest stocks in the market at the moment. It went, I mean, since this breakout, currently it's up almost 100% in the market that we're currently in, which is very, very good. Wolf, I wouldn't trade this for now, but certainly getting some strength back. Yeah, so main focus for today, market is opening in 5 seconds. So Prax, Lemonade, BBAI, and Frog, I'd say. Maybe STX. All right, so market is open right now. Let's see. All right. Some people talking about IWM. It's currently breaking out. Yeah, I guess it's breaking out of a 5-year range. Kind of broke out already, I'd say. It just needs to test all-time highs again. Almost did yesterday, so we'll have to see. Wow, NVA looks very good. Prax. Not saying I'll be extremely aggressive today, but we certainly saw some good things in the market. SPY actually, very good at open right now. It's a good thing. NV, I'll make a small post about this just so people know what it's up to. But it does look pretty good. This main focus for today. KSS could go as well. I mean, could reverse. So Prax low of the day is at 240. Wow, sizing would be pretty wild though. His stop is very wide. I mean, is it? I don't really know. No, it's not. Just got confused with the 3%. So 240 flat and entry would be at 251.58. Yeah, size would be pretty good. I mean, it would be okay for low risk, I guess. Um, let's see. This isn't bad looking. I'll put it higher a bit. I guess maybe this, but volume is very low right now. I guess Prax. The volume though. What's with the volume? It's pretty much average, I'd say. Wow, look at this. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't say it's average. It's a bit above average. But for such big news, I would have expected to be higher, to be honest. Waiting on the 5 minute just to make sure. I guess the rest isn't, I mean, it's still pretty far. Maybe volume is low for the moment. 684. And our entry would be a 718. That would be pretty good entry. Yeah. Sizing would make sense on that. Ooh. All right, Prax is going now. It's bro, it's just going so much. Right, might end up taking this right now. Looks like. Bro, it's just going so much. What the? Right, so am I taking this? Yeah, I am. 250, 895. 1/4% risk. Oh. All right, so let's go. I just took a 1/4% risk of that. Stop loss is at 240 flat. Can totally reverse. Actually looks like it pulling back a bit right now, but we'll have to see. I'll send out the alert. Actually, my risk is is closer to 0.2%. I'll just put a 1/4, but still. Right. This is up here. This is good. Can absolutely reverse just because of the. Oh, BBI is going back. It's going down. I guess maybe Lemonade or Frog. STX, but very low volume. It's kind of a insane thing, I'd say. Market is actually showing some strength right now, so it is very good. Prax, NVA, KSS. What about these? Lemonade, what about the sizing? What would that be? 78, 76. I guess sizing would be pretty good on Lemonade if it goes. And Frog probably would be pretty good as well. Let's see. 64 flat. Yeah, that would be actually very, very good, but it's slower stock, so it's kind of normal. For Lemonade though, sizing was would be very good for the ADR. Brag's back at highs. Yeah, looks very good. A lot of setups that are actually building some good ranges. Wolf, for example, LAR. I guess Growl building a good range. This could need some time though. This building a good range. It's kind of weird though. It's kind of a weird range, but it's building a range. And yeah, the rest is and this is building a range. This good range. Frog, lemonade, BBI. Prax looks pretty good. Yeah, I mean Prax actually had a very good range here before breaking out. Kind of a random news. I mean, not random news, but just out of pretty much nowhere. If you would have entered yesterday on the breakout, for example, on the breakout attempt, I did not because of the volume, average volume. Even today, I'm pretty surprised with the volume. Oh no, it's high. It just hadn't kicked up on the daily yet, but it is a high volume. Yeah, so you actually could have entered it. Sorry. Actually could have entered yesterday when it tried to break out on the daily chart right here. Today would have been, let's say, pretty rewarding day. Kind of looking at the rest here. This has absolutely no volume. This is kind of insane. I mean, it's a stock that doesn't have any volume, basically, ever. Still at 3 million volume, though. It's kind of weird. It just doesn't move much. Wow. 38% today. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad seeing another 183% day. I doubt that a lot, but that would be pretty good. Almost 40% right now. So, lemonade, do I take this? Do I skip this? What's with the volume? It's kind of average volume. Do I want to take this? Do I want to take this? I mean, I would argue and say that it is lower volume compared to average. Could this go? Yeah, this could go. This is lemonade. What about? I mean, for the size, I wouldn't be mad at taking 1/4% of it. So I'll take this 1/4% risk. Yeah, 1/4% risk basically. Just because of the size, it's a good setup. It's very low volume though, I would say. So if you guys are more conservative, this is a good skip for sure. And it's actually pulling back quite heavily right now. So you actually get a better entry. Stop loss is at 75.90, by the way. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, by the time I bought it, I'd pulled back a bit. So I'll put a 1/4% risk, but my risk again is at like 0.15%. Just because I bought when it pulled back. You guys can totally risk 1/4% on it though. I just didn't want to change my position size. By the time I send out the alert, it will be much lower. So good entry actually. I doubt I'll take anything else today. These two positions are good, but don't want to force anything because the market. I mean, market looks pretty good, just on low volume though. I mean, the volume has been so low recently. It's just kind of a weird thing to see. Volatility is going down as well. Lemonade could stop us out. Could bounce on. I mean, yeah, I guess. Prax is very good though, and we actually have better sizing on that. So what's the news? I'll make a quick post about it. All right. What do we Netflix? What's with Netflix? It acquired something else today. Yeah, it acquired Warner Bros. This morning. I mean, I don't know if it was acquired this morning, but the news went out this morning. Um, to acquire Warner Bros. For $72 billion. Pretty crazy to think about. Netflix is what, like almost $1 trillion market cap? No, almost $500 billion market cap. My bad. Um, since opening today, it's up quite a lot. Looks like AR is 3.5. It's open. It's up. It's around 80 so it's not bad. Just looks more since actually hasn't been moving much. Good acquisition, I would say. And they actually had a stock split, I think here, or no, in November. Somewhere here they had a stock split. We'll have to see. Lemonade back into its range. Maybe this is a quick stop out. Because of the low volume, I wouldn't be surprised. We'll see. What about Corp? Yeah, it's going up. I guess that'd be the only things I take today, even if, I mean, unless there's some insane volume on here. This is a slowish stock, so I'm not that interested into it. This looks like it won't go today. If it goes with insanely high volume and momentum, I guess I could take it. Um, if I don't send out the alert, it means I'm not taking it. Kind of obvious. I always send out the alerts. So if I don't send out something, I'm not taking it. I'll also send the weekly trading recap today. That's Friday. So weekly trading recaps every Friday. Currently, what do we have in the portfolio? Do we have? We have NVA, KSS, Prax, and then Lemonade, which kind of is slow, close-ish to stopping us out. Is it a good week? I'd say it's pretty average week. It's not a good week, but we're definitely getting back into a rhythm. I'd also say that KSS pullback kind of took some gains away, but NVA is kind of making those back. Prax currently up. We'll see though, and then Lemonade pulling back a bit. So we'll have to see what things are doing basically. Are you guys looking at any other things for today? I mean, Frog might go if you guys want to take that. It's a good setup. Just slower stock. Volume is actually not that bad. It's not insane, but it's not bad. It's kind of average. I feel like it would be similar to yesterday, which was just under average. And actually, I don't really like this here. I guess it did retest today, so it kind of gives it some points. STX looks like it might break out right now. Very close to it. Volume is low. I'll skip this. I'm not that interested into it. If you guys want to take it again, it's a good setup. It's not a bad setup. I'm just staying selective, somewhat. Don't want to opt into anything, especially if there's low volume in the market. If we're kind of I mean, we have 4 positions at the moment in, I mean, various sectors. We don't have any tech. Do we have any tech? No. No, we don't. AI and the AI position could be good if BBI goes. If not, if it's not the right time, then we'll wait. Solar position could be good, but solar is kind of kind of losing some strength here. And with CSIQ, kind of losing strength here. Um, about other sectors, guess tech. This is tech. Could go. If you guys want to take a position in tech, that could be your position. Just the volume is low. I'd say it's a strong stock though. Very strong stock. Volume might be picking up when it breaks out. Because currently it's trying to break out. Volume is actually, yeah, it might pick up as soon as it breaks out. It's kind of what's happening recently with these positions. I mean, yesterday was such a low volume day. We can compare it to the day before. Can compare it to Wednesday. What does volume look like on Wednesday? Yeah, that was insane. Insane candle. Not sure what happened here. Probably some sort of news. But if you guys want to take that, it is breaking out right now, confirming. Size would be pretty good as well. Pretty good size. What would the size be? 276.68. Size would be around 7% of your account. Maybe 7.5% of your account for a 1/4% risk. If you risk a full percent, obviously you have great size, but don't risk a full percent into that. Please don't risk a full percent into that. 1/4% at most. Like at most. Guess that will be it for today. We have lemonade. Might be going back up right now. We'll have to see. 75,671. What was the stop? Okay. This Prax looks pretty good. Pulling back a bit. This NVA looks very good. And then KSS. NVA, what's the volume today? I mean, only thing this could use is higher volume though. I had some good news about this sector though. America is investing. I think it's like 15. One sec. I'll make sure I get this right. Oh, there's not an actual number, but it's this here. More stakes in mineral companies from the US. And then, I mean, this is a mineral company from the US. So maybe this can go. Maybe this can help. Oh, no, it's an Australian one. I guess we'll have to see. But overall, strong sector. Sector is actually backed by government. Government investing. Highly doubt the government will invest into that since it looks like it might be Australian, or at least headquartered in Australia. Website, where is it? Sec. Nova Minerals. Limited. So where is this? Just see Australia. Oh, Alaska. Yeah. So they have mines in Alaska. So it's in the US. They secured $43 million of funding about a week ago. Yeah, it's an Australian based company, but in Melbourne, but they have several projects in the US, Canada, and then Australia as well. But they have gold mines in Alaska and then lithium in Canada. So actually, it could be affected um, by this US news. Prax, Prax is going like this. I mean, back above or so its previous range. Um, with the rest, KSS isn't moving much, slightly up, but yeah. So I guess that would be it for today. Bitcoin is down again. Ooh, what the hell was this candle? What the hell was this candle? Actually insane. All right. So I'll leave you guys with this, unless you have any questions. If not, I'll see you guys I'll see you guys during the day in the Discord, but I'll see you guys for the weekly trading recap this evening. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you around.